So I was in the car recently and I heard a song that I haven't heard in a long time. I was really excited. It's actually a country song. Yeah, I'm from the land of reggae, but I do love me some country. Much to the chagrin of my kids, we'd be in the car and they're changing the dial and I'm like, don't you know you shouldn't touch a black man's radio? But I digress. The song in question is a timeless masterpiece by Leon Womack, I Hope You Dance. And, it's a song that has a lot of lessons in it. And, I'm all about the lessons. So I thought I'd share some of the lessons with you. First of all, I think the song speaks to the essence of living a rich and fulfilling life. There are all these recurring themes around encouraging someone to embrace life with all its uncertainties, take chances, and to dance through the journey. Of course, it's a really good reminder that life is a dance, man, and we should savor every single step. But so that's kind of an overall view of the song. But I would say the first lesson is about the importance of embracing change, right? Life is a series of transitions, and the song reminds us that every twist and turn, behind every twist and turn, there's an opportunity for growth. Yes, change is inevitable, but how do we adapt to it? How do we respond to the change? That's a thing that is going to define our character. And then it speaks to the idea of taking risks, right? We can't get through this life without taking risks, and the song encourages us not to be afraid to step out of our comfort zone, as so many people are apt to do, but to seize the opportunities. Step out of your comfort zone, go after those opportunities. Life's most profound moments, I would say, often arise where we dare to venture into the unknown. And I Hope You Dance urges us to be bold and to be brave, to take the lead in our lives, and to make choices that resonate with our true self. Love and compassion, I think, is another important lesson from the song. It speaks to the transformative impact of love and how it has the ability to heal. It has the ability to uplift and to connect us. It could be romantic love, it could be platonic love, just love shared among friends and family. But the song reminds us that love is this force that can really guide us through the highs and lows of life. And then, lastly, I think the song is a celebration of resilience, right? Life is remarkably challenging. We know that there's tons of challenges and frustrations and heartbreaks, but yet the song is encouraging us to keep dancing through the adversity, to persevere with grace and to emerge stronger on the other side. So, in all or throughout our life's journey, the highs and the lows, the good and the bad, fun times and the not so fun times, the triumphs and the tribulations, I hope you dance.